In this tutorial we will look at how to make motion blur for a photo. So, we need the site AnyTools Pro. I'll leave the link in the description. Go to the site, click Choose Files button and choose a picture. Here is the parameter, strength. Increase it by the value we want. For example, 50. In the preview you can see the result. If you click on the preview, you will be able to see the full screen. Now click on Download, and look at the result. The service is absolutely free and does not require registration. Also, this site supports batch processing. You can process thousands of images at a time.